I'm making warm apple crisp to serve with vanilla ice cream. Let's get started. First, spray your baking dish. Next, peel and slice 4 cups of Granny Smith apples. Add melted butter. Add a 1/2 cup of flour, brown sugar, oats, nuts, 3/4 teaspoons of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix together until combined. Sprinkle over the apples. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and you can smell the cinnamon and brown sugar. I like to drizzle a little bit of caramel sauce on top. Serve warm with vanilla ice cream.